Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will talk about the working modes of PC220-8. There are 6 modes in PC220-8 which will be explained in this video. So stay tuned. The PC220-8 M0 excavator is equipped with 6 working modes P, E, L, B, ATT/P, ATT/E mode. Each mode is designed to match engine speed and pump output to the application. This provides the flexibility to match equipment performance to the job at hand. With this mode selection, I also want to explain the eco indicator system. This is a system which is installed inside the Komatsu's few machineries like D65EX16 and PC220-8. Actually, this is used to save the fuel. Okay, this is for fuel consumption. So let's read it out. Equipped with the eco gauge that can be recognized at a glance on the right of the multifunction colors monitor for environment friendly energy saving operations, allows focus on operation in the green range with reduced carbon dioxide emissions and efficient fuel consumption. Actually, there are two colors, uh, yellow and green. If you are in green, it's okay, it's fine, and if you are going in yellow or orange color, you should have to shut down the machine immediately. Okay, so it's telling you that you are consuming more fuel than your work. This is the basic function of this eco indicator gauge. After that, it's our topic 6 modes: P power mode, E mode, economy mode, lifting mode, breaker mode, attachment 1 and attachment 2. I will explain P and E mode later on. So this is the screen. You can select any of the mode with the help of F keys. There are 6 keys, F1 up to F6. So here's the basic explanation of the working mode, its application and its advantage. So power mode, maximum production or power, fast cycles. Economy mode, good cycle times, better fuel economy. Lifting mode, suitable attachment speed. Breaker mode, optimum engine RPM and hydraulic flow. And second last, attachment power mode, optimum engine RPM, hydraulic flow, two-way power mode. Okay, in this mode, you should know that in power mode there will be priority to work, and in economy mode there will be priority to fuel, mean it will save fuel. And at last, attachment economy mode, optimum engine RPM, hydraulic flow, two-way economy mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This was a small topic. It was related to PC220-8. Again, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel for more informative videos like this, and you can ask me anything which you want in the comment section. Thank you so much.